everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the benefits of a special tea which I have included in my diet a year ago, and I am talking about none other than the peppermint tea. So I am trying to cut off milk tea from my diet totally and replacing it with the peppermint tea, and I make sure that I at least have one sip of it every day. It not only keeps me fresh throughout the day, it gives me a fresh breath and boosts up my energy, and it can also ease headaches which is caused due to depression or any kind of tension. It is very helpful for you girls during menstruation. I'm gonna talk about this topic in detail in another video. The most important benefit of this tea is that it will help you lose weight really fast because it is free of calories and free of caffeine. It is the best thing one can take for better digestion. So let us see how I make the tea, because if I talk about the benefits, those are never ending. So yeah, let's get started. Since I have talked about the benefits of peppermint tea, I think it is my duty to point out the disadvantages as well. If you are on any medication, please do not take peppermint tea because it may react with certain drugs. So it is recommended that consult a doctor before taking it, and check it out. If you are feeling any irritation after taking it, like heartburn or kidney inflammation, stop it, don't take it anymore. Or it may worsen the situation. So yeah, this was all. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet, and comment down below after trying it out.